If you feel slightly overwhelmed, choose between Lovable, Bolt, Orchids, or Anti-Gravity. The latest updates actually make the choice simpler if you know what to look for. This is for non-technical builders who just want to ship an app fast without drowning in jargon. I'll show you which tools to start with based on your goal and what the new agentic AI trend means for your app structure. Let's start with Lovable. In 2025, Lovable is all about turning a natural language description into a full app, front end, back end, databases, and deployment. You describe it and you get a working SaaS style app you can tweak later. Think of Lovable like this: describe it in a paragraph, get a real app. With Lovable, most of the architecture is auto generated. It decides the file structure, database, tables, and deployment. You focus on features and flows. The AI acts like a project architect. It keeps track of the system as your app grows. Use Lovable if you have a clear idea for the marketing site, a simple SaaS, or a client portal, and you want something live in days, not weeks. Prompt it like this: build a client portal where a user logs in and uploads documents, and an AI agent summarizes them in simple language. Then ask, show me the system diagram and explain each part in simple terms. Screenshot that and keep it as your architecture reference. Now Bolt. Bolt is for builders who want more control of the code, but still want AI helping to fix bugs and suggesting improvements, all in a browser-based coding environment. You fully own the code, get one-click deployment, and still have an AI acting like a senior engineer reviewing your work. With Bolt, you care a bit more about structure: which files handle routes, which files handle components, which APIs are live. If you want to gradually understand how your app works under the hood while AI does the heavy lifting, use Bolt if you know you'll eventually hire developers or need custom logic and you want clean, editable code from day one. Ask it, generate an app where AI agents handle task planning, but keep the code simple and well commented for beginners. Then ask for a README for the non-technical founders, explaining the architecture in plain English. Now, Orchids and Anti-Gravity. These tools lean into multi-agent systems where several agents collaborate on complex work like research, planning, and content generation. They shine when your app is less about pages and more about workflows a team of AI assistants would normally do. Here, your architecture becomes agentic centric. You might have a research agent, a writer agent, and a QA agent, each with a role. The key is defining how they pass information without creating chaos and loops. Use Orchids or Anti-Gravity if your idea feels like a team of AI assistants working behind the scenes. Start with a job description. Define a research agent, a writer agent, and a QA agent. Ask the tool to wire them in sequence. Then ask it to log each agent's decisions in a simple dashboard so you always see who did what. So here's the simple decision. If your goal is to get a basic app live fast, start with Lovable. If your goal is own clean code and grow into advanced tech, start with Bolt. If your goal is to automate complex workflows with multi-AI assistants, start with Orchids or Anti-Gravity. Pick the tools that match your goal today.